Good morning, Tutu. Shall we plant an apple tree? I love planting trees. I get some water to put on the plant.
When Tutu went to get the meat skewer, the plant Martin had planted got broken.
Oh, my plant. What did Tutu do? You have done a very bad thing. I planted that tree with such passion.
Please forgive me, I didn't think so.
Hey, Martin, why are you crying?
Look, Della. Tutu has stepped on and broken the plant I lovingly planted.
Oh, no, did you cry for that? Let's plant it again.
Thank you so much, Della. I didn't even think about it at all.
Thank you so much, sister. I was really sad when the plant god pulled out. I won't do things like that again.
It's okay, Tutu, don't think too much about it. Let's plant the tree.
Oh, no. Della. You are here too? What are you doing?
Oh, wow, Jenny. After a long time, I'm planting this sapling. Something really strange happened to our Martin today.
Why? What happened?
Martin planted a tree. After Martin went to water the plant, the sapling got loosened and fell over because of Tutu's action.
Oh. Really?
The best thing is, just as I arrived, Martin was already crying because of what happened.
Oh, no. Is that something worth crying over? All right then, let me help you too.
Everyone happily took care of the plant. After 6 months.
Oh, wow, now Martin's plant has grown big and is full of fruit. When we work together, we can achieve anything we want, right, Martin?
Yes, definitely. I'm really happy today because of you both. Thank you so much for helping me. Let's share these fruits with the people in the village and enjoy them together.
Then let's go right now.